Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram story not available. So if you face this kind of problem on your Instagram, first just go back, go to your Play Store, go to your search bar and go for Instagram. And you can see I have the update option here. You have to update first your uh, Instagram app. So I need to just wait for a while. Okay, so it's go for your settings now, go for apps and notification, click on Instagram. So if you don't find this Instagram, just go for here and search for Instagram. Okay, you can search your Instagram app or any kind of app from here on your phone. Okay, this is my Instagram app. Now just do it. Go for storage and cache, clear the cache. You can clear your storage also, and you can go for it is force stop. Okay, now go back and see for this update here. Okay, it's installing now. I have to wait for a while or a minute. Okay, that's installing. It takes some time. Uh-oh. Okay, now it's done. Then go for open. Now here you can see your this story option here. You can see you can now upload your any pictures or videos, anything here on your story. So that's it. That's the process. Hope you find this video helpful. If you did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.